Welcome to Mr. Dating Hunter. If you've ever struggled with attracting high-quality partners, lacked confidence, or felt lost in dating, you're in the right place. In this video, we're breaking down the foundations of dating and attraction, using powerful psychological principles, real-life examples, and proven strategies that work. Let's dive in. The number one secret to attracting high-quality partners: inner confidence and high-status energy matter more than looks or money. The rule of pre-selection: women find men attractive if other women desire them. Action step: start socializing with more women in different settings to build natural attraction. Building unshakable confidence around women. Psychological trick: the alter ego method. Pretend you're a movie character or a celebrity before approaching a woman. Exercise: approach 5 strangers and ask for directions confidently to build social confidence. Body language hacks to instantly become more attractive. Powerful attraction body language tricks. The slow blink technique signals calm confidence. The silent pause, pausing before responding, increases mystery and dominance. The commanding posture, chest up, slow movements equals instant attraction. Practical exercise: hold eye contact for 2 extra seconds to build natural dominance. What women really find attractive: psychology explains scarcity effect. People want what they can't have. Emotional roller coaster: a mix of mystery and fun creates deep attraction. Status and social power: women prefer men respected by others. Challenge: take 3 days off texting any woman you're interested in. Watch how the dynamic shifts. The nice guy trap and how to escape it. Signs you're a nice guy: you avoid conflict to please women. You put her needs above your own. You seek approval instead of leading. Fix it now. Set personal boundaries and stick to them. Speak your true opinions without fear. Mindset shift: a woman wants a leader, not a follower. Stop trying to be liked and start being respected. How to overcome approach anxiety in 5 simple steps. Breathe deeply before approaching. Remind yourself, she's just another human. Have an opening line ready. Simple: hey, I had to come say hi, you seem interesting. Expect nothing, just focus on starting a conversation. Walk away first, leaves her curious about you. Challenge: compliment 3 strangers today to build momentum. Mastering flirty conversations with examples. Quick flirting framework: tease her playfully. You're trouble, aren't you? Challenge her: convince me you're not boring. Use the mystery hook: there's something about you, but I can't figure it out yet. Exercise: use 1 flirty line per conversation today. Summary of this lecture: attraction is about confidence, body language, and psychology, not looks. Women love men who lead, have boundaries, and are slightly unpredictable. Flirting is about playful tension, not proving your worth. Tools, assessments, and practical exercises. Social confidence tracker: rate confidence after every interaction. Eye contact timer: practice 2-second eye contact holds. Flirty conversation log: track playful interactions and feedback. Action plan: practice open body language daily. Approach 3 new people per day. Take control of your time. Avoid being too available. Use the mystery hook in your next conversation. Additional resources: books: The Way of the Superior Man, David Data. Models: Mark Manson. Videos: Why Women Love Confident Men. Psychological breakdown. Join our private community. Link here. Remember, attraction isn't about luck. It's about becoming the most powerful version of yourself. Start today, take action, and watch your dating life transform. Subscribe for more.